Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to Sakhi's Intellect. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for upcoming notifications. Whenever I upload the video, you get the notifications. So today our topic is about the science behind dreams. Is it interesting? Yeah. So we have always been fascinated by dreams and mysterious images that come at night, taking us to the world of our subconsciousness. So why is it that some dreams are black and white and some are colored? So why do we sometimes see prophetic dreams and can predict the events before they really happen? Why do we sometimes remember the dreams in a very detailed way, but sometimes do not remember them? Why do we dream at all? Actually, dreams are the way our brain processes the information. Psychologists claim that each person sees 2 and 5 dreams between per night. So the clarity of dream in our memory actually depends on the phase of the process when we are woken up. As sleep is an important part of your daily routine, we spend 1/3 of our time in sleeping. Quality sleep is essential to survive as food and water. Sleep is important to number of brain functions, including how nerve cells communicate with each other. There are 4 stages of sleep: non-REM sleep, non-REM sleep, non-REM sleep and REM sleep. So what is REM? REM is nothing but the rapid eye movement. That is, eyes moves rapidly from side to side behind closed eyelids. Breathing becomes faster in this period and irregular. Heart rate and blood pressure increases, and most of the dreams occur during this period. So non-REM sleep first stage is wakefulness to sleep, and second stage is period of light sleep before enter into deeper sleep, and third stage is period of deep sleep, need to feel refreshed, and fourth stage is very important, that is REM, that is occurs about 90 minutes after falling asleep. This REM sleep is very essential part in sleep cycle. Actually, dreams are hallucinations that occur during certain stages of sleep. They are strongest during REM sleep, that is rapid eye movement. Most people can recall at least one good and one bad dream they have had ever over the course of their lives. But they had those dreams, and what they mean is going a big debate in scientific community. So experts generally agree that dream is a series of subconscious images that occur during sleep and include sounds, sights and other sensations. Dreams frequently occur in REM sleep, that is rapid eye movement sleep, a deep sleep state that means you to less likely to be distributed. Here one of the question is why we remember some dreams and not some dreams. So because REM is a deep and powerful sleep state, it may explain why suddenly awakening during these times makes a dreams feels especially vivid. Dreams occur in REM sleep also more memorable as they are typically longer, and this increases in length as you get more REM sleep. One theory suggests that dreams are result of data dump, that is for brain which processes important events of our day and deletes insignificant memory. Next question is why dream? So scientists are not entirely sure why we dream, but ongoing research is using neural imaging to find relationship between dream contents and brain activity patterns. One thought is that the hippocampus, that which controls the memory, collects information from brain and experiences it as dreams. Next question is what is the meaning behind our dreams? So dreaming in REM sleep might be a coping mechanism which help to process emotions, thereby helping you to develop cognitive capabilities. That which explains the why you have certain dreams when you are stressed out, or why we might dream frequently about an important person in our life. So dream contents vary in intensity depending on REM sleep and non-REM sleep, or short nap which we take place in during daytime. So REM sleeps dreams most likely to have emotional significance and higher sensory experience, while non-REM dreams doesn't have significance of emotional and higher memory experience. We mostly remember or recall dreams after naps rather than after full night of sleep. So, but while it's fun to speculate about a dreams, its meaning to remember, sometimes a dream is just a dream. So remember, sometimes a dream is just a dream only. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.